Hello, today I'm going to be making homemade salsa or sofrito. This is really good for cooking, especially for people that they don't like to chew on stuff like garlic and some of the vegetable. This can be used for soups, meats, rices, and everything you can think of. I already chop everything here to save some time, and I use different kind of peppers. I use garlic, plenty of garlic, celery. Some people use green onions too, but I didn't have that. Cilantro, and at least 1 to 1.5 cup of olive oil. So all I'm going to be doing here, I'm using this personal blender. All I'm going to be doing is going to be of course blending this. If it does get stuck, you can open it, and you can, with a spoon, you can shovel it down. Oops, like this. And this is really good recipe for when you cook like your turkey or a whole chicken. You can just bathe your turkey or chicken in and out with this sauce. Oh my gosh, this is so good, and it smells so good too. Okay, all you have to do is make sure that everything inside, let's see how it looks. Look, it looks like a paste, like a sauce. It's kind of thick, depending on how much oil you put in it. This is just so good and have everything in it. Garlic, peppers, celery, cilantro. Put garlic. Make sure you put plenty of garlic, at least 10 cloves. And that's all. And you can pour this in a small container. And what I do, I use an ice cube, and I pour this on the ice cube. I put them in the freezer, so anytime I want just one, I just pick one out from the freezer and put it in my cooking, whatever I want to be doing. Either soup, rices. The rice come out so good, and it has a lot of vitamins in it. So I hope you enjoy, and especially use it for your Thanksgiving turkey. You'll see how your neighbors are going to come out and say, well, what are you doing here? It is really, really wonderful recipe. Okay, enjoy. Bye.